Good morning, all of you. So this is your first question. How was your reasoning exam, everyone?
Sir,
Sir,
full
good.
mark.
Sir,
Sir,
very
good.
good.
Sir, very good.
Sir,
Very
Very
good.
very
good.
good.
You all
Sir, very good.
It was very good.
very good. You all will score full.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I scored full.
Sir, not full.
We can't see our marks. Sir, Anshika present.
Sir, I
Yes.
also scored full.
Uh, yes, I know that you were not able to see your marks. Intentionally, it was done that students will not be able to see their marks. This was a intentional move by me. That is because some students try to attempt the paper again and again until they get full marks. So to avoid that, I have done this. So you will be able to see your marks in the UT2 report cards. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, I have some queries about tomorrow's exam. Can I ask?
You have some queries?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, please ask your queries.
Sir, in the chapter decimal, in the first exercise on B, the fifth question, I am not getting an answer, and sixth one also.
Can you tell me
Sir,
the
in my
can you
test,
tell,
the network problem
The
was there, so I have
answer
attempted second time also.
okay, no problem. Okay, can you tell me the page number? Which page number you're talking about? Beta, tell me the page number.
Sir, the page number is 80.
8080. Okay, which question is this?
The page number.
Page number 80, question number. Tell me the question number.
Sir, can you please tell that what we are doing?
Sir, are these the revision questions that you have written on the board?
Just wait, beta. I will tell you what to do.
Okay,
Someone
sir.
was asking a question. I don't know who was asking.
Sir, Hargun was asking.
Sir, Hargun was asking.
Hargun, beta, I have opened the page. Can you tell me which question you are asking? Is she there in the meeting, Hargun? Or she is left?
Sir,
Sir, she is not in the meeting.
Yeah. Who's that? Okay, so you all please note down this question. We are doing a revision of the chapter decimals, both the chapters. ये कौन है करमजीत बेटा क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो do these questions, everyone. And do you have any problems? Any doubts?
Sir, in today's test, I have given first test and second first time it disappeared, and I have given it second time. So it should reach to school or not?
No problem, beta. Okay, no problem. Are you all doing these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, due to network connection, I was disconnected, so I was not able to listen the answer.
Sir, this revision we have to do in our notebooks.
Yes, beta, you have to do these questions in your fair notebooks.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please send the image of questions on WhatsApp as I am again and again disconnecting.
Beta, you can take a screenshot. Argun, you were asking something, you got disconnected. Which question you were asking? You're doing a class from laptop. On your laptop also you
Sir,
can.
I was asking the question from page number 80, exercise 9.1, B, question number 5th, 6th, and 7th.
5, 6, and 7. B, question number B, 5, 6, and 7.
Yes, sir.
Press as decimals. Okay. Okay, okay. Wait, I will tell you. Hold on.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Sir, done all.
Sir, done all.
Sir, I have one second question.
Very good. So now I'm telling you the answers. You all can
Sir,
verify
please.
the answers. First one,
Sir, please tell the second one.
9.18. First one. Second one, 0.239. 0.239.
Sir,
Third
please
is
tell the second question.
5.135.
Yes, any doubt in the,
5.135.
in the second one? Is there any doubt, anyone?
Excuse me,
No,
sir.
sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, please tell the second question.
Yes. I'm doing the second one on the board. 1.434. Okay. So now you take the first digit, 1. 1 is smaller than 6. Okay. 1 is smaller than 6. So you have to take both the digits. You have to take two digits, 1 and 4. Now, when you have taken two digits, the second digit is after decimal. So you will start with the decimal. Because you have taken two digits and the second digit is after decimal, so you will start with the decimal. Copy. Keep your mics off. बेटा गाने मत गाओ, माइक ऑफ कर लो. आज मस्ती के मूड में हो लग रहा है ऋषित. So 6 into 2 is 12, and the difference is 2. 2 is the remainder. So now you take the next digit, 3. 3 times 18 minus 5 is the difference. Then you copy 4. 54, 9 times 54. So now the remainder is 0. This is the answer. Okay, got it? Third one, the answer is 5.135. And the last one, 9.5, sorry, 9.7, 9.772. This is the answer of the last one. Who has got all the correct answers?
Sir, I get all the correct answers.
Very good.
Sir, me too.
Mine was all correct.
Very good, beta. Yeah, now Hargun was asking some questions. I will be telling
Sir,
her.
Abhirana all correct.
Very good, beta. Point, the second one, the answer is 0.239. You can also write it as
Sir,
0.239.
please tell the third question.
Both are the same.
0.32 now.
Third one, which one?
Third one, 5.1.
Want me to tell the third one?
Can you show how to do it even? It will not come 90. You have written 9.772 and mine is 90.72.
For
Last one. Rishika, last one.
Yes, sir.
the one. Very good.
78.176. So 9 times 72. Remainder is 6. Now you copy 1. When you
So, sir,
have
now you should write 0.
Sir, it is 9.772.
when you have taken the first digit after decimal, you write 1 decimal here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, 9.772.
7. So 7 times 8 into 7 is 56. Remainder is 5. Take the next digit 7. Again 7 times 56. Remainder 1. Then you take the last digit, which is 6. 2 times.
Now I understand. Thank you.
Yes, sir, mine is correct.
Okay. So
Mine
now
is correct.
the questions which Hargun was asking. Yeah. This is on. This is a question of exercise 9.1. B, question number B, fifth part. Okay.
Sir, do we have to write it?
No, not necessary.
Okay, sir.
3/5. We have to write this number in decimal form. Okay. So what you will do, you will just divide. There are many ways of doing it. Simple way is to just
Sir, we have to
straightaway
do this
divide.
question in fair notebook.
No, beta, you don't have to do this in your notebooks.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 3, as we all know that 3 is smaller than 5. So what you will do, you will write a decimal. You will write a decimal here, and here also you will write 0.0. Okay. So we will write this as 3.0, and we will start with a decimal. So now you can take 2 digits, 30, because we have added a decimal here, 30, and it will go 6 times, so remainder is 0. Okay, so what is the answer? 3 divided by 5 is equal to 0.6, or you can write it as 0.6. Got it, Hargun? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's see another one. The sixth part also. 6/25. 6. So because 6 is smaller than 25, so you will write a decimal here, and here also you write decimal 0.0. So 6.0. This becomes now you because we have added a decimal here, we can take both the digits. 60. You will go 2 times. You get 60 minus 50 is 10. Now 10 is smaller than 25, so you write a 0 in the end again. After decimal, you can add as many zeros as you want. Okay.
Sir, I have doubt.
So you carry another 0. Yes, what is your doubt?
Sir, express as fraction into lowest terms. Sir, last one.
So wait, let me complete this. So
Okay.
now this becomes 100 after copying 0. So 4 times you get 100 and remainder is 0. So what is the answer? 0.24. There are other ways of doing the questions. Other ways also. There are other ways also of doing the question. How can we do this in a different way? Okay, let me tell you another method. This is one method by dividing. We have already understood the method of dividing and then converting in decimal. There is another method. In this method, it will not be required to divide the number. So I'm telling you the fifth and sixth part again with a different method. New method. First, now the denominator is 5. How can you convert 5 in 10? 5 को 10 में कैसे convert कर सकते हैं? If you multiply it by 2. So you multiply the numerator and denominator both by 2. दोनों को 2 से multiply कर देंगे, it will become 10. So whenever the denominator is of the form 10, 100, 1000, it becomes very easy to convert number in decimal.
तो जो फिर भी कोई समझ में ना आए
So this is 6 upon.
बता दें।
ठीक है.
Rishit, keep your mic off. So 6 upon 10. When we multiply the number by 2 upon 2, it becomes 6 upon 10. Now the denominator is 10. So when you are dividing a number by 10, you just have to write a decimal. You have to insert the decimal. You will start from the right side and leave one digit and put the decimal, 0.6. Okay, so 0.6 is the answer. Again, you can see the answer is 0.6. You can also write it as 0.6. Okay.
Sir, in
This is another method of doing it. You all know this? Do you all know this method also? Yes.
Sir, can you show it again?
Look at the next part, you will understand. Look at this. Question number 6.
okay, sir.
This also we will do something similar. So 25 is greater than 10. Can you change 25 in 100? 25 को 100 कैसे बना सकते हैं? By which number you should multiply? Make it
4.
multiplied by 4 upon 4. Yes. So you multiply the number by 4 upon 4. Numerator becomes 24 and the denominator becomes 100. So 100 is the denominator. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 2 zeros.
Okay, sir.
So from the right side,
Two.
2 places. From the right side,
0.24.
from the right side, move 2 places and put
0.24.
a decimal. 2 places from the right, 0.24. Or
Sir, but I didn't understand.
0.24.
okay, got it?
Sir, 0.24.
This is another method of doing it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, please solve this question. Expresses fraction in their lowest term. Last one.
Last one or C? Which question number? Tell me the question number.
Sir, C expresses fraction in their lowest term.
C. Okay, Hargun, any other doubt?
Yes, sir. I have asked seventh question also.
Also. Let's tell the seventh one first.
Now next is Ayushi Singh Tomar. Ayushi Singh Tomar. Page number 56, last paragraph. बच्चों ये जानकारी.
Okay, now the seventh part of the question. Again, you can choose any of the methods of doing it.
Sir, can I do these in my notebook?
2 whole 3 upon 8. You can choose any method of doing it. Okay. So just keep this whole number 2 like this only, and you can just change this one in fraction by dividing 3 by 8. 3 को 8 से divide कर लो. So you write a decimal and then you write 0.0. Okay. Because the number is smaller, so you write a decimal and write 0.0. So 30, now the number is 30. Okay. Number is 30. So now you can write 3 here, 24. Subtract, you get 6 as the remainder. So now remainder is not 0. So therefore what you can do, you can write, copy down another 0. You can copy down another 0. This becomes 60. Okay. So 60. 5 times, this becomes 56. Remainder is 4. Again, the remainder is not 0, so you can copy down another 0. Write another 0 and copy it down.
3.20.
Sorry, this will go 7 times, not 5 times. So 40, and now 5 times 40. The remainder 0. So answer is 2.375 is the answer.
Sir, it is.
Sorry, beta,
Sir, your voice is cutting.
Ayushman, what were you saying?
Sir, I am saying that what is written in between the division?
In between the division, मतलब कहाँ पर?
Sir, it is dividend.
3.000.
Okay, sir.
And here it is 0.375. 0.375 is there, is the quotient. Dividend is 3.000. Answer is, now we have converted 3 upon 8 in decimal. This is 0.375. You will write 2 as it is. 2.375 is the answer. Got it? Argun, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, why we put three zeros in that?
You can add as many zeros as you want because the remainder was not coming 0. So till the remainder does not come 0, you can keep on adding zeros till the remainder is 0. Okay, when the remainder finally you get the remainder 0, you will stop adding zeros in it. So after decimal, you can add as many zeros as you want.
Sir, please explain this again.
The same method, or you want me to explain this with another method, the second method?
Sir, this method only.
This method only. First, the digit is 3. 3 is smaller
Sir,
than 8.
can you explain with both methods?
Yes, I will explain both the methods. The digit is 3. 3 is smaller than 8. So you write a decimal here and write 0.0. 0.0. अभी मैंने एक ही 0 लगाया है यहाँ पे. Only 1 0. Okay. 3.0. So this becomes 30. You can take 2 digits. This is 30. So 8 into 3 is 24. 8 into 3 is 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. 6 is the remainder. Remainder is not 0. So you will add another 0 here and then copy it down. 60. Okay. So now the number is 60. You will go 7 times. 8 into 7 is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. again you can see the remainder is not 0, so you will add another 0 and copy it down. Keep on adding zeros and copy the 0 down. So 40 is the number. Now 8 into 5 is 40. Finally the remainder is 0. Answer is 2.375.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, second method also. Do you want me to explain this with the second method also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the second
sir.
method, in the second method, you will write 2 here and then you multiply 3 upon 8 in the numerator and denominator. You will multiply with a number such that the denominator becomes 10. Try to make the denominator 10. 8 को इस number से multiply करेंगे तो 10 बनेगा. You will never get 10. If you try to make the denominator 10, you will never get 10. Multiply 8 by any number, you will not get 10. Okay. So can you make the denominator 100? Can you make it 100? No, you cannot make it 100 also. Can you make it 1000? Can you make the denominator
Yes, sir,
1000?
we can make it. Yes, sir.
Yes, we can make 1000. If we multiply the number by 125. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator both by 125. It will become 1000. The denominator will become 1000. So 2 whole, this is 2 whole 375. 3 into 125 is equal to 375 upon 1000. 375 upon 1000. Now 375 upon 1000.
Sir, how we will find that 125,000 is divisible by 8?
You divide 1000 by 8. You will get 125 in the quotient. Divide 1000 by 8, you will get 125. So you multiply it by 125. Got it? This is how you can find out. By dividing. Okay.
Sir, can you explain again?
You try to make the denominator 10. So 8, if you multiply 8 by any number, you will not get 10. You try
Yes,
to
sir.
make the denominator 100. You multiply 8 by any number, you will never get 100. Can you
Yes,
make the
sir.
denominator 1000? Yes, we can make the denominator 1000. If we multiply 8 by 125, it will become 1000. Okay. So we will multiply the denominator and numerator both by 125. So numerator multiplied by 125, it becomes 375, and 8 into 125, it becomes 1000. So 375 upon 1000, this is 0.375. So your answer is 2.375. 2.375. 2.375 is the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
Sir, both examples.
Now someone was asking me the C question. C last part. Express as a fraction in lowest term. C last part is the 10th part, 6.345. 6.345. So after decimal, how many digits are there? How many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places are there. So you remove the decimal 6345. You divide it by 1000. Okay. Remove the decimal and now you can write the number as 6,345 upon 1000. Now this is not in lowest term. You have to change this in lowest term also. So you find the HCF of these two numbers. Find the HCF. You will see that the HCF is 5. HCF of these two numbers is 5. So 6345 upon 1000. You all know how to find the HCF. Divide the numerator and denominator both by 5. So when you divide this by 5, what you get? 1, 2, 6, 9 upon 200. So this is the answer, 1269 upon 200. This is one method. Another method is you simply change 345. You can also do it like this, 6 whole 345 upon 1000. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 6 whole 345. This is easier. ये थोड़ा difficult है. This is easier.
Excuse me, sir.
Like this. This is easy. 6 whole 345 upon 1000. This is easy. You do it like this. Remove the decimal and then you write the decimal part in the numerator and divide it by 1000. So 6 whole, now you can change this in simplest form, lowest term. 345 divided by 5 upon 1000 divided by 5. 6 whole,
Sir, in this
345
question,
divided
what
by
we
5
have to
is
do?
6 upon 200. So 6 whole 69 upon 200 is the answer. Got it?
Sir,
Understood?
in this question, what we have to do, I didn't understood it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
So we have to do these in notebook.
No, beta. These are I am
Sir,
telling.
this answer is in whole.
This is in
Sir.
whole. 6 whole 69 upon 200. You're
Sir,
getting
in this